Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Capital One account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer first, open up your preferred browser and on the search bar click over there and type in capital1.com like this, or you can just simply search for Capital One on Google. Either ways, you will land up on the same site as the capital1.com. Both are the same page. Let's close one, and after that you will see the sign in option available over here on the top right corner of your phone, or you can just hit a username and password over here and click on sign in over here to sign into your Capital One account. Or if you have forgot your username or password, click over here to reset it and to retrieve it. And there guys, this is how you sign into Capital One account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.